Hello everybody and welcome to a special Easter Bunny surprise eggs video. Today we are going to be learning about animal sounds. I have Easter Bunny surprise eggs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 surprise bunny eggs. Let's see what's in them. First, I have a blue Easter Bunny surprise egg. Let's see what's in him. 1, 2, 3.
Surprise!
It's a lion. A lion says, roar. Lion. Next, I have a yellow Easter Bunny surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. 1, 2, 3.
Surprise!
It's a cat. A cat says, meow, meow. Cat. Next, I have a pink Easter Bunny surprise egg. Let's see what's in the pink bunny. 1, 2, 3.
Surprise!
It's a dog. A dog says, woof, woof. Dog. And last, I have the purple bunny surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. 1, 2, 3.
Surprise!
It's a pig. A pig says, oink, 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 oink. Pig. Let's go through our animals. We have the roaring lion, the meowing cat, the dog says, woof, 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 woof. And the pig says, oink, 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 oink. Thank you for learning animal sounds with me. Be sure and like and subscribe to our page for more surprise egg videos.